Isaac here, and I am with Christian and
X-Ray OP2.
X-Ray OP2, whatever.
X-Ray OP, X-Ray OP1, X-Ray OP2, X-Ray OP3, X-Ray OP4, and X-Ray... Yeah, and that's it. I own 5 channels.
Alright, so yeah, me, my friend Gary, and him were helping these 3 little baby birds that fell off the roof.
2 stories down.
2 stories down, but they ended up dying.
Yep.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me,
What's the third one?
Wait,
make
Billy
yourself
died.
some
I just
friends
saw
or you'll be
moving.
lonely.
Yeah.
Once I was 7 years old.
He's dead. That's messed up, dude. Oh, he's alive!
He's alive.
Don't do that.
It was a big, big world, but we thought we
Oh,
were
no, he's dead.
bigger.
Look
Pushing
at
each
that
other
white
to
one.
the limits, we were learning
Which one, the other
quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning
Which
liquor.
one's which?
Never
That's
so
Batman.
we were out to make
That's
that steady
Robin.
figure.
That's
Once I was
what?
11 years
Which
old,
which?
my
Yeah.
daddy
Alright,
told
guys,
me,
yeah.
go get yourself
I
a
think
wife or you'll be
this
lonely.
one-
Once I was 11
This one
years
was
old.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Sadness has a
I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something
guys,
about
yeah,
that
put the
glory
link
just
and the link
always
to the
seemed to
garbage.
bore me. Cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old.
I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna pause it so you guys can watch. Oh, I feel bad. Alright, I got a picture.
I only
And
see
guys,
my
I'm gonna
goals.
edit this
I
video.
don't
I'm gonna
believe
put in the
failure,
picture of the
'cause
birds
I know
for
the
the last.
smallest voices, they can
And
make it major.
I'm gonna send
I
it to
got
my
my
friend Gary,
boys with
and
me,
then, yeah,
at least
so
those in
this is
favor.
it, you guys
And if we don't